young scientists! Welcome to another science amazing adventure where the search for the truth continues. This is your science teacher, Teacher Maria Elaine Tacandong Echeverria from Waterfall Elementary School, Balingasac Central District. Your guide in exploring and discovering the role of science. Gear yourself with a pen, paper, and self-learning module as we are about to take a leap to our new lesson. Our objective for today's episode is to describe the different components or elements of weather. Are you excited to learn new things? Awesome! But before that, let us first recall our previous lesson. Young scientists, we learned about the different cloud formation. As a recap of the previous episode, I will give you a short quiz. Direction: study the given picture of cloud formation. Write true if it matches its name and false if not. You are given 5 seconds to answer.
Number 1, cirrus. Number 2, stratocumulus. Number 3, stratus. Number 4, nimbus. And number 5, cumulus. Your timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Let's check your answer. For number 1, the answer is true. Number 2, the answer is true. Number 3, the answer is false. Number 4, the answer is true. And number 5, the answer is true. Did you get them correctly, class? Great! So smart answers, young scientists.
Young scientists, are you familiar with the weather today? Do you know the different types of weather? You will find the answer as we explore in this lesson. Weather is a part of our everyday life. Some people look at the window every morning to see what the weather is like. The clothes we wear, the activities we do, and even the place we go depends on the weather we have on the particular day. So what exactly is weather? Weather is the combination of sunlight, wind, snow, or rain, and temperature in a specific region at a particular time. What are the components and elements of weather? Great answer!
There are many elements that make up both weather and the climate of geographical location. The most significant elements are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, and sky condition. Let us have number 1. Let us discuss first number 1, temperature. Air temperature has a direct influence on a fire behavior because of heat. Heat from the sun is transferred to the earth by radiation. The heat warms up the surface of the earth, and the atmosphere close to the surface is in turn warmed by heat reflecting from the surface. This is the reason that why the temperature above the surface is cooler than the surface of the earth. Temperature is the hotness and coldness of the air around us. It differs from place to place. The angle at which the sun rays strike the surface affects the temperature of the place. Places near equator have high temperature because they receive direct rays of the sun as shown on the screen. So as you can see there on the screen, the figure 1 illustrates the heating of the earth by the sun, and figure 2 illustrates the direct sun's rays to our planet Earth. Let's proceed to number 2, wind. Wind refers to moving air, as in breeze, the movement of the air relative to the surface of the earth. Winds play a significant role in determining and controlling climate and weather. Wind flow of gases on a large scale. It consists of the bulk movement of air. It refers to the strength and direction from which wind is blowing. Wind direction is named from which it originates, while wind speed is a fundamental atmospheric quantity caused by air moving from high to low pressure. You can see there on the screen the figures. Figure 3 illustrates the wind movement, and number 4 illustrates wind direction. Now let's proceed to number 3 element, atmospheric pressure. This atmospheric pressure is a force exerted on a surface by the air above it, as gravity pulls it to the earth. It is also called the air pressure exerted by the weight of the atmosphere. Now you can see there the illustration about the atmospheric pressure. Let's proceed to the next number, humidity. Number 4, humidity. Humidity is a quantity representing the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere or in the gas. It is also called atmospheric moisture or relative humidity. Moisture in a form of water vapor is always present in the atmosphere. So you have there figure 5 on the screen, illustrates humid in the atmosphere. Number 5, precipitation. Precipitation is the water that falls to earth in any form like rain, snow, sleet, or hail is called precipitation. You can see on the screen figure 6 illustrations showing precipitation. You have there on the first picture illustration of a rain, snow, sleet, and hail. In the second picture is another illustration. Number 6 is the sky condition. It is a description of the appearance of the sky, and it shows the variety of clouds present. It describes the layer amount, layer height, ceiling, and the sky cover. As you can see on the figure 7 on the screen, illustrates the sky condition. So you can see there the different cloud formation.
Science learners are always eager to discover and learn. Right? Wow. Yes, indeed. So, get ready for this activity time. I challenge you to do your best for this activity. Our first activity is Find Me game. For this activity, you are given 1 minute to answer.
Look for as many words as you can that are related to our lesson about the components of weather in the crossword puzzle. The words are looped vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. Some words are written backward. Tell something about the word you found. Write your answers on your notebook. The first one is done for you. Do your best, young scientist. Your timer starts now. Okay, your time is up. Let's check your answer. The answers are temperature, cloud, wind, humidity, air, pressure, and sky condition. Did you get them all correctly, young scientist? Great job! To further deepen your understanding about the different components of weather, let's have another activity entitled, What Am I? You're going to decode the hidden word by filling the blank with the correct letter as indicated in the following numbers. Now you can see there in the box, numbers 1 up to 26 with its corresponding letter from A to Z. Now for number 1, you can see there numbers 20, 5, 13, 16, 5, 18, 1, 20, 21, 18, and 5. So look for its corresponding letter and you will form a certain word. Its description is the hotness and coldness of the air in the environment. Number 2, let me proceed directly to the description. Blank is the appearance of the sky. Number 3 is the amount of water, moisture in the air. Number 4, moving air from high to low pressure. And number 5, water that falls on earth. Your timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Let's check your answer. Now here are the answers. For number 1, the answer is temperature. Number 2, sky condition. Number 3, humidity. Number 4, wind speed. And number 5, precipitation. Did you get them all correctly, class? So smart answers, young scientists. Congratulations! I'm happy for you. Our next activity is Match Me. For the direction, you are going to match the components of weather in column A with its description in column B. Write your answer and the space provided in each number. You are given 15 seconds to answer. Number 1, letter A, sky condition. Number 2, humidity. Number 3, temperature. Number 4, wind speed. Number 5, precipitation. That's for column A. And for column B, letter A, water falls on earth as rain. Letter B, moving air from high to low pressure. Letter C, the hotness and coldness of environment. Letter D, moisture in the environment. Letter E, appearance of the sky. Letter F, serve as a blanket of the earth. Your timer starts now. Okay, time is up. The answers are for number 1, letter E, appearance of the sky. Number 2, letter D, moisture in the environment. Number 3, letter C, the hotness and coldness of environment. Number 4, letter B, moving air from high to low pressure. And number 5, letter A, water falls on earth as rain. Did you get them correctly, class? Well done, young scientists! I am very happy that you got all the correct answers in our activity. For that, you will be given a reward. Now, let's have a wrap-up. To summarize what you have learned, use the word bank to fill in the blanks to complete the paragraph. So here are the words in the box: atmosphere, wind, sky condition, temperature, precipitation, and humidity. So the weather affects us in many ways. Its changes can influence how we feel and the way we look at the world. The blank refers to hotness and coldness of the environment. The hotness and coldness of the environment changes every time because of the moving air called blank. At night, we feel cooled because of the moisture or the amount of water vapor in the air that is known as blank. As we wake up in the morning, we look outside to see the blank, to do the different activities of the day. If the clouds are dark, it means that the water will fall to the ground as rain, which is referred to by forecaster as blank. Now you're given 10 seconds to answer. Your timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Let's check your answer for number 1, temperature. Number 2, wind. Number 3, humidity. 4, sky condition. And number 5, precipitation. Okay, congratulations, class!
Young scientists, remember, weather condition is not always the same in different places, and it affects your daily planned activities.
Now, class, here's another task for you. For the direction, complete the fishbone diagram by writing the different weather elements. You are given 15 seconds to answer. Your timer starts now. Time is up. Let's check your answer. Now, your answers can be in any order. We have temperature, wind, atmospheric pressure, humidity, and precipitation. Did you get them all, class? Awesome! To check how far you have understood in our episode today, Let us have assessment. Are you now ready, class? Okay, let's start. Direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. You are given 20 seconds to answer. Number 1. What is the air temperature if the sun is shining brightly? A. The sun is low. B. The temperature is high. C. The temperature is normal. D. The temperature is constant. Number 2. When the sky is cloudy, the air is cooler. Why? A. The clouds are heavy. B. The temperature is high. C. The temperature is normal. D. The clouds block the heat of the sun. Number 3. What makes a cloud formation? A. Air temperature. B. Sky condition. C. Water vapor in the air. D. Wind. Number 4. What does temperature tells us? A. It tells the direction of the wind. B. It tells how hot or cold the air is. C. It tells the speed of the wind. Letter D. It tells the sky condition. And for number 5, last number, which of the following is not a weather element? A. Humidity. B. Precipitation. C. Thermometer. D. Wind. Your timer starts now. Okay, time is up. Let's check your answer. For number 1, letter C. Number 2, letter D. Number 3, letter C. Number 4, letter B. Number 5, letter C. Did you get a perfect score, class? Excellent! Congratulations!
And that's all for today, young scientists. Thank you so much for your active participation. I hope you gained a lot today. For in the great minds of young scientists like you, learning never stops. Once again, this is Teacher Maria Elaine Tacandong Echeverria from Waterfall Elementary School, Balingsag Central District. Saying bye! See you next episode.